Previously on Jim's Spare Parts.
You were absolutely right, dude.
Kilo Bravo 3 India Charlie United. Oh, there it goes. What do you do at 6 a.m. in the morning? Show up with your buds and head to a ham fest.
Winter Ham Fest, yay!
W3UU. Let's hope they let us inside this time. We'll see. Going to go pick up the other Misfit, and we'll catch you on the flip side when it gets a little brighter and you can actually see us. We got Josh. We got the other Misfits, and he's wearing shorts.
Hi.
Where's the tower?
Right there at the end of the house. I was sitting down there doing FT-8. I was just on 160.
Yeah, it's not.
See you later. Once you get to see Frank one,
Six two 440. It's not often they see 6 on them. Steve Kishwell.
Morning, Bob. Morning, Bob.
So you keep it up, half the fest in here is going to be the GMRS club. Dual band mini mag.
Little things, aren't they cute?
Children touch. How much are you wanting on?
25.
25?
Made a little antenna adjustment in my office.
Power output is on
Now
it.
I go.
5 in, 30 out.
I asked about the ham test this week,
Okay.
but anyway, talking about your webcast, I was sitting in the garage last week one day, I think it was, and I hear some guy calling from California and an N3KZ repeater, and I'm like, how's he doing this? And he's talking to other people from around the country. Must be through the computer or something.
Yep.
Well, here he has a webcast, live webcast. So I get on his webcast, I think it's KR66 something. He was on last night again, but he hops repeaters around the country and talks to people, and you can watch him on the webcast, and I was chatting with him.
Yeah, I saw those emails. Yeah.
And
They had a monitor on there. They didn't. The problem with psychosis is
Put that down.
What'd you get, Jim?
Coldest I ever rode was 16 degrees. And we did that just as a fun. How far? Well, we had a little contest that we put together just for fun a couple of years ago. We called it the Shrinky Dink. And
We're going to get $100 for the entire box. They work.
all together? Or you saw
The whole thing, yeah.
the whole thing?
ride had to be a minimum.
Thinking you wouldn't do them separate?
Wow.
25 bucks a piece. I can do piecemeal.
Right. That's fun.
How much on your analog? Is that 100 or is that?
That's actually trying to do what frequency
To me, right now is pretty cool. So, I mean, I'm fine with 70 centimeters because I can get to it still, but you know.
VHF so hard.
Yeah.
You're all pretty much blocked out.
Yeah.
UHF is a little bit easier. That's exactly what they do when you coordinate that. And it's a good thing because a lot of guys go fuck coordination. Guys, you find your site. You find your site. You build your tower. You build actually the real order for it.
You buy a $2,000 repeater, $1,400 commercial
Inside of that, so it's not going to be that much.
all that, you get it up and running, and a month later, some fucking dickweed puts a fucking kilowatt fucking fluid fucker right on your frequency.
Manual tuner.
So that's, I'm a big
That's
supporter.
nice one.
You know, a lot of guys laugh about coordination, you know, they do because
That's a manual.
Yeah.
drawing. 50-50 drawing.
It's a Balin.
Yeah. But if ever you get two repeaters, you have to take it down. The other guy put it
That's a
What is that? CP 125.
yeah. You gotta have the Motorola software. Somebody's got it.
I know you, ICU.
Oh, hey, how's it going, Ethan?
Not too bad.
Find anything yet?
Yeah, a basket case of Meritron. Like I need another.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
especially basket
Should have
case.
said, hey,
No
don't
problem.
tip. Yeah, so I'm hanging in, and that's all I can do. And I just go from there.
The SP50s. Big HT-1000s of those.
Yeah. That's a fucker right there.
We had some of these too.
You know, that's what the guy told me. Because my wife, she gave me an embarrassment. I took it out of the box. She said, my God, why would you buy such a puny radio? Well, she's used to these Boda. And I called down about a 7610 out of stock. But that guy at HRO said, should get that FT-891. Oh!
I've used them before, but there's
Oh, that's what the guy was saying to me. He said, look at the Sherwood Engineering. Thing. How big is that radio? Oh, gee, it's not much bigger. Oh.
50 volt switching power supply.
You know what it's wired for? Which radio?
I think it was my 90 TS930.
Kenwood.
Or 7. Holy Christ, it's been so long.
You're right.
No, a 746 Pro. That's
So the Kenwood.
no, Icom.
Icom. Oh.
That's an old one now.
Yeah, this is definitely an older one.
Oh yeah.
You don't see much around here with the serial connector.
Now that's underneath a 24-inch monitor.
Wow. Now, what did you have to get the monitor?
Just it's a new cable they use it for gaming. It's called a DI. I have the one. I have the
that?
cable.
I haven't seen one of them.
An extra.
I have two of them. So they work forever, and I wanted to keep it for parts, and I said no. I decided I'll sell it. Well, I'm asking for. It's got 3 bands to it. It's 2, 70, and 6 meters.
Okay.
So it's got another band in it.
Right.
It's a tri-bander, and it's got a brand new battery. And what you see is that everything works great. All the power's up there. It's not weak on any of the bands. Everything's there. I'll take offers.
Okay. You're definitely.
That's an equalizer for an Icom. Works on 7300, 7000, 706, any Icom radio. That's an old Yaesu FT-470. That's my first radio. It's the box. It has all the mod. It has all the stuff. What's that?
It's your first radio.
My first radio.
Man, you getting out of the hobby?
No. I talk on different band. I talk on other band. I'm on 160.
Longer wavelengths.
We either on 10 meters or 160.
Longer wavelengths.
We use UHF, VHF for just like cross communications, cross communication when we're on 160. If they're like hogging it up a little bit, we'll hit each other, on one of the UHF or VHF frequencies.
Then there's always the secret frequencies.
430 preamp, 432 preamp. That's a Breedlove mount. And it works every bit of it.
Yeah.
Yes.
If I had the pennies to do it, I would be going.
This is all the write-ups on the 470, all the modifications. I got the charger, 3 batteries. There's that's the extra long antenna. Another antenna. It's got a mount. It's got a. If you want to not use the battery and just plug it in, it's in the box down here for like a power supply.
We're headed out of here. I don't know if I'll be back for this one, but what do you say, guys? What do you say, Leroy?
It was all right for my first one, but very disappointing.
Yeah.
Not a
it
lot
definitely-
here this time.
Yeah, there maybe was like 5 vendors and that's it, and then everything got overpriced. So, we'll see the next one. Hopefully we'll have luck on that one. We'll keep watch for the good ones. We'll catch you guys.
More to come.